think about your smartphone, your laptop, even your LED lights. They all run on direct current, or DC. But the power socket in your wall delivers alternating current, AC. Why the mismatch? It's a story of legacy. Decades ago, AC became the global standard for distributing power because it was incredibly efficient for long-distance transmission. A vast ecosystem was then built around it. The national grid, the wiring inside our homes, every wall outlet, and all the electrical codes that keep us safe. This infrastructure is everywhere, standardized for generations. DC, on the other hand, is fragmented. It exists in countless different voltages, each tailored for a specific device. So while our modern electronics need DC internally, the entire world they plug into was fundamentally designed around AC. Wait a moment. My solar panels generate DC. My device uses DC. Does the electricity really get converted twice in between?